everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dug through an old photo album or a hard drive from 15 or 20 years ago and found a photo that means the world to you, but it looks like this? It's tiny, it's blurry, the colors are faded, and printing it or using it as a wallpaper is just out of the question. For years, enlarging these photos just meant making the pixels bigger and uglier. But what if I told you that with the power of AI, you can not only enlarge these photos, but actually enhance them? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using easy-to-use app called VideoProc Converter AI. Let's dive in. Before we start, you need two things. The software, you can download the free trial version from their official website. I have included the link to the site in the description. So to download the app, just click on download free trial here. Once you're done downloading, you can open the app. And the second thing you need is your old photos. So you just dig up your old JPG or PNG or even scanned BMP files. So let me open the app quickly, VideoProc Converter. Here's the app, VideoProc Converter AI. This is what it looks like. On the welcome page, you will see lots of different features, including super resolution, frame interpolation, image AI, audio AI, video converter, DVD, downloader, recorder, and stabilization. When you roll your cursor onto each of these features, it will explain or provide a brief description of how we use it. So for this demonstration only, I'm going to show you the feature called Image AI. It allows you to upscale images, restore faces, and colorize photos by up to 4 times with the advanced AI models. So let me click on Image AI here. So to upload the video onto the app, there are 3 ways. The first one is to click on this up arrow here. It will allow you to select the images you want to add to this app. The second way of adding or uploading the image onto the app is by clicking on the add image icon here. Or the third option is to drag and drop. And before I drag and drop the image onto the app, there are features we have to take a look at. So on the right hand side here, you can see they say Image AI Upscale, Restore, Colorize. The first option is device. You can select all units or CPU and GPU or just CPU only. For me, I would just leave it the way it is, CPU and GPU for better performance. Next is super resolution. So they make use of 4 different AI models. They have Gen Detail version 3, Real Smooth version 3, Anime, and Xist. To know how each feature works, you just select the feature and then you click on this question mark icon here. It will give you a brief description of what it is. For example, here, Real Smooth, they say smoother, restore original, more clarity, brighter, de-blur, de-noise, diffusion model. For me, I would just stick with Gen Detail version 3 because this one generates more details, more clarity, and more sharpness. And it's better for the skin as well. So I would leave it like that. And for model settings, we have the scale, how you want to upscale it. So we have upscale it by 200%, 300%, or 400%. Or just type in the resolution you want it to upscale to. Like you can select 1K, 2K, 4K, or 8K. To me, I would stick with 4K. So I'll select the resolution here. You also can select the option to enhance the image only, which means this image will stay at the original size, but the image will be enhanced after using AI technology that this app makes use of. Next is face restoration. If you have to restore the faces of your photo, then it is recommended to tick on face restoration. If your image doesn't have any human face, only trees and so on, you don't have to tick this feature. And next feature is colorizing monochrome image. So for this one, if you want to add color to your image, you know that like some part of the image would have its color changed, you may want to tick this. For example, let's say the grass, it should be green or something, or the shirt should be blue or green or something. You have to tick this option to allow AI to colorize the images for you. So like I said, you can add multiple images at the same time, but the more images you add, the more time it takes for the AI to work its magic to enhance or upscale or restore your photo images. Now, because the first image that I wanted to upscale and enhance doesn't require colorizing, so I would untick this feature here. And now let me drag my image in. This is the image of Golden Gate Bridge. It's really blurry. Let's see how this app can help turn my photo into a better looking one. Okay, now the process is completed. You can see that the image on the left is very blurry at 64% and the resolution is 600 by 400. The image on the right is 4096 by 2730. That's 4K resolution. Let's enlarge the image to 100%. Right, so this is the original image. This is at 176%, very blurry. And then this is the newly enhanced image. We can now see the boat and the bridge is better looking now. Although it doesn't look that impressive, but to me this is already really good because the blurry image is now becoming a clear image. And I will show you two more images. The other two will be the images of people so that we make use of the face restoration feature. So we need to save this image first. We have to export it. We go down here to export settings. They have the options for you. Image format, you can select PNG or JPG, and the level here, and the DPI, you can also change to DPI. So you can explore this by yourself. For me, I would just stick to the default setting. And the output folder, you can also change it if you want to by clicking on browse here. You can select where you want to store this image. And because it already selects the desktop, I would leave it like that and then click on run. We'll start the process of saving and converting this image to an upscale version of it. Just sit tight and wait, it won't take long. Right now it's done. We'll take a look at that image later, but let's try to add two more images. But before I do that, I want to remove this photo first. Now I make changes to this features here. So I still want 4K resolution. I only want it to upscale twice, but I wanted to restore the face and probably colorize photo as well. So take this feature as well. Now let me drag the photo in. So it will take some time. There are two photos. Just sit tight and wait. Okay, now the process is completed. Let's see the difference. So we try to add colors to it. This is the original image and it's at 1152 by 896. And the new version would be 2304 by 1792. So if you move this cursor here to see the difference, that's the newly enhanced. You can see it changed the color now. So you can see the noise in the background here. We try to zoom this in. See the noise here, and then with this app it removed that noise here. You can see the noise has been removed, and they add the color to the people, to the grass in the background, to their shirt and their face. You can see the difference here. It looks really cool, although it doesn't do a very good job with the face because this image was taken from far away, so the faces of these people are very far, so probably AI cannot detect and make the face look as natural as it should be. But at least this is good enough with the denoise and the colorizing. You change the color of the grass there, the house. It's really cool. Now we'll take a look at another image. This image should have started the process, but I accidentally unticked auto start next time here. That's why it didn't start, so we'll have to start it now and we have to wait for it. Alright, the process is completed. Let's see the difference there. You can see the original image. There's a lot of noise there. And look at the grass. The color of the grass is not good. Let's see the modify enhanced version. So they add color to the skin of the girl, to the clothes, the background, and the grass. Even this one here, they even add the yellowness to the color of the wood. It looks impressive here for this image. The difference is day and night. Especially I appreciate the grass there. It looks amazing. Let's zoom in here to see more detail. Even the shoes here, look at the color of the shoe. Before, the shoelaces look kind of gray, but then now it looks kind of purple and white. It looks really cool. And once again, I'll save this and show you the before and after for all the three images that I have upscaled and installed so far. So I have to click on run here for VideoProc AI to start converting and saving the two new images here. So we just have to sit tight and wait. It won't take long. Okay, now it's done. Let's see the before and after. So let me drag all these images into this to show you the differences. Okay, now let's see the first image. Here's the original image. Look very blurry. This is a newly enhanced version of it. Blurry, now it's bigger and better looking. This one as well, blurry, noisy background. Now this is the improved version. The grass look green now, the house is colorful, the shirt's colorful, the noise has been removed. This is another one, the before. Look at the noise in the background, the grass and the girl. And now look at the after here. So the image has been upscaled. It's bigger now. The girl's skin tone look a lot better. The hair color, the wooden wall at the back, the pieces of wood here, the grass look green, the shoes, it looks amazing. So you can see how amazing this app is. And there are a lot more options that you can do, not just enhancing your old image. You can also enhance or upscale your old video with super resolution, and a lot more features here you can explore. So it's just like buying one app but getting multiple features here. And if you're interested in the app, all the links are in the description. You can check them out. And right now the app is providing a special offer because it is this app anniversary here. They say buy one get 4 free. So right now if you buy VideoProc Converter, you will get 4 more apps for free. And you can see the price here. This is a lifetime license. It supports both Mac and Windows. Once again, if you think the app is great for you, this offer is something you shouldn't miss. Okay, that's it guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what we do, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.